Hi there. First off, we want to say thank you for choosing Iron Mountain. We've truly valued our partnership, and while we're sorry to see you go, we're committed to making your next chapter start as smoothly as possible. Closing an account has a few moving parts, but don't worry, we will walk you through every step. We're going to help you handle your service selections, review the final costs together, take care of the paperwork, place the order, and finally, securely deactivate your account. The first step is deciding what happens to your items. You can choose to have your items securely destroyed, returned to you via delivery or pickup, or a mix of both destruction and withdrawal. Once you've decided, just click the link in your email and fill out the quick form. To keep things moving, please submit your order form within the next 24 to 48 hours. Once we have your choices, we'll send over a detailed cost summary. This will include your proposed total amount, minus taxes and fees, your outstanding invoice amount, and the total to close, which includes both charges. An Iron Mountain agent will follow up within a business day or two to review it with you. Just a heads up, that quote is valid for 15 days. We recommend signing off as soon as you're ready so we can get started and help you avoid any extra storage fees while the account is still open. After you approve the quote and the final invoice is settled, we'll get to work. We'll place your service orders, send you a confirmation email with all the details, and once the work is done, we'll securely close out your account. If you have questions, run into a snag, or even if you change your mind, we want to hear from you. You can reach your dedicated agent by email or give our closure team a call at 866-732-3253. Thanks again for the trust you've placed in Iron Mountain. Let's get started.